guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching our channel. So I hope like this video and subscribe our channel. So today I am showing how to change your ownership on Google Docs account. So let's get started today's video. Keep watching. So guys, this is my account and I'm just trying previous video just as a permission and visitor editor, and today I'm explain how to change your share permission to ownership permission. So guys, page fully loading, I'm waiting. So guys, fully load and just I'm sharing, click and waiting, and data restriction. So I'm just access my another Gmail address, okay, and editor, and don't know show notification, just click share, access update, now click and transfer ownership, send invitation, okay, and done. So I hope my friend access invitation and then automatically transfer my docs. So keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. So goodbye.